Adding reviews to your Ecwid store can enhance customer trust and boost sales. Here's how to integrate product reviews into your Ecwid site. Log into your Ecwid account. Visit Ecwid and sign in with your credentials. Access the App Market. From your Ecwid dashboard, click on Apps in the left sidebar to open the App Market. Find a review app. Use the search bar to look for review apps such as Yotpo, Judge.me or Ecwid product reviews. These apps can help you collect and display customer reviews. Install the app. Click on the desired review app and follow the instructions to install it. You may need to grant permissions to access your store data. Configure the app settings. After installation, navigate to the app settings. Customize the appearance of your reviews and set preferences for how customers can submit feedback. Add review widgets to your store. Many review apps offer widgets that you can embed on product pages. Follow the app's instructions to place the review section where you want it. Promote reviews. Encourage customers to leave reviews through email follow-ups or discounts on future purchases.